If Google Drive is showing that you are not signed in error, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. This usually happens because of a browser glitch, a cache or cookie problem, an extension conflict, or sometimes just a temporary session issue. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced tools. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes every week. All right, let's get into it. First, try the simplest fix: refresh the page. Sometimes Google Drive just fails to load your signed-in session properly, and a quick refresh can resolve it immediately. On Windows, press Ctrl+R on your keyboard. On a Mac, you can use Command+R. If refreshing doesn't work, close the Drive tab completely and open it again, and go back to Google Drive and see if the error is gone. If you're still seeing the message, the next thing to do is clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most common fixes, because old or corrupted browser data can stop Google Drive from recognizing your account correctly. If you're using Google Chrome, open the browser and click the three dots in the top right corner. From there, go to Settings, then click Privacy and Security. Next, choose Clear Browsing Data. When the window opens, make sure you select Cookies and Other Site Data, as well as cached images and files. You do not always need to clear everything, but these two options are the most important for fixing sign-in issues. After that, click Clear Data. Once the process finishes, fully restart your browser and then open Google Drive again. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem. Now, if the error is still there, try using Incognito Mode. This is a very useful test because it opens a fresh browser session without your normal cookies, and it temporarily disables most extensions. On Windows or Chrome OS, press Ctrl+Shift+N. On a Mac, press Command+Shift+N. A new private window will open, and from there, go to Google Drive and try signing in again. If Google Drive works in incognito mode, that usually tells you the issue is coming from your browser cache, cookies, or one of your extensions. That means the account itself is probably fine, and the problem is local to your browser setup. This is a great clue because it helps narrow down the real cause. The next step is to disable browser extensions. Some ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or security extensions can interfere with Google Drive sign-in pages and prevent them from loading properly. To test this, go back to your normal browser window and open your Extensions menu. Turn off anything that could affect Google services, especially ad blockers or privacy-focused extensions. After disabling them, reload Google Drive and check whether you can sign in normally. If that solves the issue, you can turn the extensions back on one at a time to figure out which one was causing the problem. That way, you don't have to remove everything permanently, and you can keep using the extensions that are not interfering with Drive. Another helpful thing to do is make sure you are signed into the correct Google account. Sometimes people have multiple accounts open at once, and Drive may be trying to load with a different account than the one that has access. Click your profile icon in the top right corner and check which account is active. If needed, sign out and sign back in with the correct account, then reopen Google Drive. You should also make sure your browser is up to date. An outdated browser can sometimes cause login and session problems with Google apps. In Chrome, click the three dots, go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Let it check for updates, and when is available, install it and restart the browser. If you're on a work or school device, also check whether your organization has any restrictions on Google Drive access. Some managed accounts block certain sign-in behaviors or limit third-party cookies, which can trigger this kind of issue. In that case, your IT admin may need to adjust the settings. So, to quickly recap, the main fixes are refresh the page, clear cache and cookies, try incognito mode, disable extensions, confirm the correct Google account, and update your browser. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the Google Drive you are not signed in error. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech tutorials. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment below with exactly what device and browser you're using, and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.